Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. It is a Thursday, you guys, which means that tonight another episode of Utando Nestembu is dropping, you guys. Now the trailer has been released. One thing I must say, with those trailers, when they put them back together, whoever gets to edit those trailers, you guys, they know umsebenzi wabo. Because part of the trailer, you guys, we see a scene. Remember, Umakwela is coming to meet Umatsele. Now, the way they edited it in a sense that Umatsele is saying, or Umusa is saying to Umatsele ukuthi bengizocela ukuthi umfundise-ke Umakwela like indlela esenze izinto ngakhona la ekhaya, right? And then uNokuzana, then we see Umatsele saying in her diary session ukuthi ngeke ngikwenze lokho. Then we see Umakwela rolling her eyes. I'm like, that is so smart. Now people are going on about ukuthi hey, but uGeli rolling her eyes. Did she just roll her eyes at Umamkhulu? You guys, I think I have a name for Umakwela. She is the queen of rolling eyes. The queen of rolling eyes, because it looks like we're going to see a lot of that, you guys. I am starting to swallow my words. I don't know if Umakwela is going to choose a smell a system, guys. Angazi. But anyway, one thing I know for sure, Uchi, they just edited that because last night when we were watching Wednesday's episode, right, when they were showing the highlights for Thursday's episode, Umakwela did not roll her eyes at Umatsele. She was rolling her eyes when in the diary session Umusa said ukuthi angiyithandi indlela ogqoka ngayo, and she rolled her eyes. And that's not the first time she rolled her eyes. When Umusa came to fetch her and Umusa said which he's not going to open the door for her because she needs to qualify. Imagine indoda izokutshela ukuthi you must qualify just for him to open the door. Guys, Aibo. Then she rolled her eyes. I'm just like, yes, elite 2K, man. 2K in the house. I'm celeb, guys. I'm just like, this one. Ay, umusa shame. Umusa ngathi ukhalisa usne. Ukhalisa usne. Ay, shame. He has not cried. He has not complained enough. Because I just feel like Umakwela, guys, she's just, I don't know. But listen, I am loving the vibes. And I feel like she's going to keep us talking, you guys. But anyway, the queen of rolling eyes, keep those eyes rolling, girl, because we are here for it, you guys. Another thing we see is Umakwela saying to her mother ukuthi ngikhethile angiyindawo akukho nje ukubuyela emuva from here. Ngimkhethile umusa, ngimkhethile ikhehla lami. She didn't say that, but she's telling her mother ukuthi she chose umusa. Khethile, there's no going back. Imagine telling her mother, and her mother, shame, she looks like those types that are just, umavuma zonke, those types of, yeah, those parents that they just don't like talking a lot and they trust their children's opinions or their children's choices or something like that. Angazi, but Umakwela, I mean, guys, now, once you are known as Umselegu's wife, you automatically a mini celeb. Guys, from the time the trailer came out about Umakwela, this is even before, like a month or two before, the show actually started. Her following has grown like crazy. Her following has grown like crazy just by association with Umusa. So if she leaves Umusa, it's like Jola no Ramaphosa no Cupcake. Mom Shia uyabani next. Do you understand? It's like a Congo situation. She dated President Zuma. Do you understand what I'm saying? After she breaks up, who is at that league? Alice Chelen, who's at that league? Because already, so Jolene Amaposa, manje, it means you need to keep the standard, guys. You need to keep the standard and continue jolaring Namaposa. And it's not easy because Namaposa ashadile and some other wives, others we male lento. Do you understand? So Umakwela, she's in a tough position. But anyway, she chose this decision, and now it's time to lie on the bed what is that saying? Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.